have been learning about the early humans, their food, the tools they used, and their clothes. And today, let's continue learning more about early humans. We learned that the early man lived in the forest or jungle, and they used to eat the fruits from the trees, roots and soft stems, nuts, and raw flesh of animals. We also learned about the home of early man. They would live on the trees or in caves in order to protect themselves from wild animals and from adverse climatic conditions. So these are the topics which we covered. Today we'll be learning about the discovery of fire, farming and taming of animals. So please open your textbooks to page 200 and we will read together Discovery of Fire. Early humans ate plants, nuts and raw flesh. They did not cook their food. In fact, they did not know how to make fire. One day, while striking two stones together, they saw sparks coming out. This led to the discovery of fire. Gradually, they learned that animals were afraid of it. So early humans began to light fire every night outside their caves to keep the wild animals away. Later, they also used fire to cook their food. Thus, fire became man's best friend. After the discovery of fire, early humans made better tools to kill animals. Before fire was discovered, man would eat whatever was available in the forest in raw form. His food was raw fruits, roots, soft stems, nuts, and also he used to hunt for animals and eat the raw flesh of animals. Now, early humans must have observed forest fires. So they must have seen that the dry wood catches fire and also how wild animals are scared of fire, and then they thought that they can use this fire in their caves to protect themselves. So maybe they must have carried a log of wood and taken the fire to their caves and used it to protect themselves from wild animals. But there was still a problem. They did not know how to create a fire whenever they needed it. So then maybe one day somebody accidentally just rubbed two stones and saw sparks coming out of it, which would then make a fire from on a dry wood. So that's fire. That's what led to the discovery of fire. And then they realized that this fire can be used not only for protecting themselves but also when they cook the raw flesh or plants, it becomes much more tastier. So fire began to be used for cooking. And later on they also saw that fire can be used to make more tools which are much more better, and thus fire was very useful for them, and fire became man's best friend. So now whenever he needed to make fire for cooking or for getting warmth or for protecting himself from wild animals, man could now create fire and use it for his needs. Fire was used for cooking, It was used for protection from wild animals and also for making better tools. Now let's read about farming, the beginning. Being able to grow their own food was perhaps the biggest achievement of early man. So what was the biggest achievement of early man? Being able to grow their own food, and that means farming. So how did they learn to grow their own food? They observed that a seed which had been left in the soil had grown into a plant. After this, they began to plant seeds to achieve similar results. When the seeds, after a period of time, grew into plants, early humans learned to grow food items and they no longer needed to roam around in search of food. They decided to settle down near rivers where the land was fertile and began growing their own food. So we have been learning how the early humans used to observe the nature around them and learn to create new things, right? So we just saw how they observed the fire and they then experimented to make their own fire, and now we are going to learn how they learned about farming. They observed around them, right? First, that the seed which is left in the soil grows into a plant. And so they also began to do the same. They began to plant seeds and they saw that after a period of time, the plant grows and then it bears fruit which can be used for their food. So now they began to grow their own food items, and so they no longer needed to go from place to place in search of food. Till now, they used to always keep moving whenever the food was whenever they had no longer availability of food in one place, they would leave that place and move on to the next place in search of food. So they were living as hunter gatherers, and now they no longer needed to go from place to place to search for food because they could grow their own food. So what did they do? They decided to settle down. And where did they settle down? They settled down near rivers where the land was fertile. They observed that whenever the soil is more fertile, the plants grow more and they yield more fruit. So they began to settle down in the fertile areas near the rivers, and there they used to do their farming and grow their own food. So this was the beginning of farming, and which was one of the biggest achievements of the early humans. Going to the next part, taming animals. After learning the methods of farming, early humans started taming animals. Dog was perhaps the first animal to be tamed. Later, early humans domesticated cows and goats. Domestication of animals was done for various purposes. Dogs were used during hunting and to guard homes and fields at night. Cows and goats were domesticated for milk and meat. Bullocks were used for plowing the fields and carrying heavy loads from one place to another. Horses were used for riding. So after man began to do farming and settling in a place, he then began to tame animals. Dog was the first animal to be tamed by early man, and it was used for hunting and to guard their homes and fields. They also tamed cows and goats for milk and meat. Bullocks were tamed to help in plowing and carrying heavy loads, and they also tamed horses to ride on them and to be able to travel to far distances. Ready for the question and answers? First question. The first animal tamed by humans was dog. The biggest achievement of early humans was hunting, fishing, farming, all of the above. And the right answer is farming. Fire was used by early humans to cook food, protect them from wild animals, and making better tools. All of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. Early humans tamed which animal for milk and meat? Cows, goats, A and B, none of the above. The right answer is A and B. By striking two stones together, early humans discovered water, fire, wheel, all of the above. The right answer is fire. Early humans used to eat dash before the discovery of fire. Plants, nuts, raw flesh of animals, all of the above. They used to eat all of the above before the discovery of fire. Which of these animals were tamed by early humans? Dog, cows and goats, horses and bullocks. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above, D. Early humans learned farming and then A. Move from one place to another, B. Travel long distances, C. Settled near rivers and lakes, D. None of the above. The right answer is C. They settle near rivers and lakes. Early humans observed that a seed which has been left in the soil grew into a plant and thus learned farming, fishing, hunting, none of the above. The right answer is farming. Well done. And so we complete that part of the chapter. I hope you all have understood about the discovery of fire and the beginning of farming and taming of animals by the early humans.